Good morning, students. Today we will start a new exercise, square and square root. Square and square root. Okay, and in April month we will be complete the exercise 6.1. Now continue start the exercise 6.2. okay, then the first question 6.2 is the first question. Find the square of following number. Okay, the first question is 32. In previous class you find the square root is simply 32 square into 32. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 4 2 1 0. This is the simple method of use the previous class, but in standard 8 use the algebraic identities. Three algebraic identities. First will be a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a square minus b square. There are three square identities. Okay, so here to use a first identities, they will use the first identities will be a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now 32 and divide into two part. 32 is divided into two part is write the 30 plus 2. Okay, now 32 is a 30 plus 2 whole square. Write the value of a is equal to 30 and value of b is equal to 2. Compare the identities. You put the value of a is 30 square plus 2, value of a is 30 and multiply and value of b is equal to 2 and plus again to b square is a 2 square. Okay, 30 square means you write the 30 into 30 plus here to multiply 32 is a 60 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Okay, now 30 into 30 is a 900 plus 6 to the 12 is 120 plus 4 and after the whole number will add that the 900, 120 and 4 is 4210. That the final answer is 1024, 1024. It means 1024 is a square of 32. So this here we use the find the square using the identities. Okay, now one question is, suppose question is b is 86 square. You write the identities of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square and divide the 82 is two terms. Okay, 82 terms is divided to two terms, will that 80 plus 6 is equal to 86 and the value of a, that the value of a is compared to 80 and value of b is compared to 6. So that is the value of a is 80 square plus 2 into value of a is 80. Okay, and plus value of b is equal to 6 square. 80 square is means 2 times of 80 is multiply 80 into 80 plus here one number will be missing, that 2a and into b value is 6. Okay, then be 2 into 80 into value of b 6 plus 6 square is 6 into 6. Okay, now we 80 into 80 is 80 into 80 is 8 0 0 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64 is 6400 plus 80 into 2 is 160 and multiply 6. 606, 6 6 is 36 is 6, 3 carry, 6 1 is 6 and 3 is a 9. So that is a 960 and plus 6 6 is 36. Okay, and finally you write the answer in add is 64,100, 960 and 36 will add. Okay, that 6 and 3 is 9, 9 4 13 is 1, that's 7. The answer is 396. Okay, question number 3rd is 71. Find the square root of 71. 71, first we write the identities. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now 71 is 71 is divided into two part, is 70 plus 1. 70 plus 1 square, the value of a is 70 and value of b is equal to 1. That the value of a is 70 square plus 2 into value of a is 70 and value of b is equal to 1 and plus 1 square. Okay, now 70 square means 70 into 70 and 2 into 70 plus 1 plus 1 into 1. Okay, now we 70 into 70 is 70 into 70 is 0 0 and 49. So there the answer is a 4900 and plus 70, 2 into 70 is 140 plus 1 and add is 490, 140 and 1, that 1405, that the sum of in three numbers is 5041. It means 5041 is a square root of 71. Okay, another question, the question number 4, find the square root of 53 square. Okay, 53 square, first you write the identities. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b 2ab square plus b square. Okay, 53 is divided into two part, is 50 plus 3. It means the value of a is 50 and value of b is 3. Put the value of this identities, that 50 plus 3 square is equal to a square means 50 square, 2 value of a is 50 and value of b is equal to 3 plus 3 square. Okay, now 50 square is 50 into 50 plus 2 into 50 into 3 and 3 square is 3 into 3. Okay, now 50 into 50 is 2500 and into 50 to the 50 into 2 is equal to 100 and into 3 is 300. Okay, that is the answer is 300 plus 3 3 is 9. Add is 250 plus 300 and plus 9. The answer is 9082. So that is answer is 2809. Okay. So that is a 2809 is a square of 53. Okay, and some question will homework for you, try find square of 26, 37, 94 and try, and this only this method. Next topic is Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triples is a total 3 members. Okay, now 3 members. 3 members means a number is 3 times. So is first is a 2m, here m square plus 1, and third is m square minus 1 is a 3 members of Pythagoras triples. Okay, अब suppose find the in your question is write the Pythagoras triples of a given 1 members is the question number second. Okay, second is first, question number second is first is given 6. Okay, and find the other 2, find the 3 members of Pythagoras triples. The 6 is a first member, 6 is a first member, that 6 is a 1 member. So first you compare a 6 is first member of 2m. So first will be 2m is equal to 6, 2m is equal to 6. There is m is equal to 6 upon 2 because they have a multiplication and transfer to division sign and cancel is 3. It means the value of 3 is equal to m is equal to 3. The value of m is equal to 3. Okay, and find second members. Second members is m square plus 1. M square plus 1. Here value of m is you find already find is 3. That 3 square plus 1. 3 square plus 1 is 3 3 is a 9. 3 square means to multiply 3 is 2 times plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, and third member is m square minus 1. M square minus 1 is value of m is a 3 square and plus minus 1 is 3 square is 3 into 3 is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So total answer is first is a 6, second member is 8 and third member is a 10. Okay, and other question in second is given is 14. Okay, so first compare to is 2m, first member is 2m is equal to 14. Okay, that is the m is equal to 14 upon 2 is cancelled to 7. That the value of m is equal to 7. First you find the value of m. Okay, and with the help of 2m is equal to 2m is a first member, and find other 2 second member is m square plus 1. M square plus 1 is equal to the value of m is 7. 7 square plus 1 is 7 square means 7 into 7 plus 1 is 7 into 7 is 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. It means the second member of given number is Pythagoras triplet. The second member is 50. Then third is again m square minus 1. The value of m is a 7. 7 square minus 1. 7 square means 7 into 7 is minus 1 is 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. So your answer is 3 members. First is given that 14, second member is, no, first member is a 2m is 14, 48 and 50. So this is the 3 members. In question number 3 is 16. Okay, now 16, find the 3 Pythagoras triple. Then first you compare, a first member is 2m is equal to 16, then the m is equal to 16 upon 2, cancel is 8. It means the value of m is equal to 8. The value of m is equal to 8. Now second triple is m square plus 1. m square plus 1 is value of m is equal to 8. That 8 square is equal to 1. 8 square means multiply 2 times of 8 plus 1. 8 8 ja 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. Okay, and next is m square minus 1. Here the value of m is 8. 8 square minus 1 is 8 8 ja 64 minus 1 is 63. Okay, so that your answer come, first is a 16, 63 and 65. Okay, the 3 answer is 16, 16, 65 and 63. Okay, and other question, the fourth question is given that the value of given question is 18. Okay, first is compared to 2m, because 2m is the first member of Pythagoras triple, is 18, is m square is equal to 18 upon 2, cancel 2 9s are 18, that value of m is equal to 9. The value of m is equal to 9. First you find the value of m square plus 1. m square plus 1 is the value of m is a 9 square plus 1. 9 square is equal to 9 into 9 plus 1. 9 into 9 is 81 plus 1 is equal to 82. Okay, next is m square minus 1 is equal to value of m is 9. 9 is 9 square minus 1. 9 square means 9 into 9 minus 1 is 9 into 9 is 81 minus 1 is equal to 80. Their answer is Pythagoras 3 members. First is given that 18, second is 82 and third is 80. So this is the answer.